Big door. Is this always here? Wow, there's a speakeasy in the Crawlspace. What a great idea!
Nice to see you, Mr. Bob.
Nice to see you, Coochie Kopi.
What'll it be, Mr. Bob?
Give me some hooch. Your best bootleg hooch.
How are things going, Mr. Bob?
Things could be better, Coochie. Things could be a whole lot better.
Do you need to use the facilities, Mr. Bob? Go number 2?
I'm glad you asked, Coochie. Yes, I do need to go number 2. Yes, I do. A lot.
Your mother-in-law is quite willful.
Yeah, she is.
She needs to be corrected.
What does that mean?
Killed.
Wow, you turned into a mean little nightlight, Coochie.
Did you know your wife and your mother-in-law are trying to interfere with your business?
They are my business?
Yes, they're attempting to bring an outside protein into this situation.
An outside protein?
Tuna.
Tuna?
Help, save me! I might go to the bathroom.
Here's Bobby! I found him.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh!
Ah!
Oh!
Ow!